We're looking at is sales team success. And in particular, we know that sales reps need coaching to go from being good to being great. And delivering that coaching is really labor intensive. So the gold standard is actually having the manager review the recording of a sales call, jot down notes, and offer feedback for the rep. It is ridiculously labor intensive. So most reps aren't able to get very many reviews on their calls because managers just don't have time. So like, let's say you're managing a team of 5 or 10 sales reps. Like, if you're lucky, you're going to be able to get through a handful of these calls a week on top of other commitments. But we know that call coaching works. So at Zapier, we had this problem as well. And then we solved it. And the solution that we came up with is Call Coach. Call Coach takes your call recordings from Gong, analyzes them with AI using an advanced rubric, and then delivers personalized, timely, actionable feedback to every rep for every single sales call. We use it here at Zapier, and it is creating a ton of value, and I'm thrilled that we get to be sharing it with you today. So let me make this really concrete, what this looks like for an individual rep and then their manager. So take Robert, a member of Zapier's sales team. Robert completes the sales call in Gong and then immediately goes to his Slack account and has a DM waiting for him with feedback. This feedback is based upon the sales call and covers like strengths from the call, areas for improvement, and recommendations for how to do better going forward. It also gives Robert an aggregate score out of 30 points that gives Robert a general sense of how well did that call go. Now, this call had a score of 18, which is a decent call. If it had fallen below a threshold, by default, that's 15 points. The call would also be escalated to Robert's manager. Now, this call was not escalated, so it wasn't delivered as a direct message to Robert's manager. But once a week, Robert's manager, Danielle, does go into the feedback log table and check out how are her reps doing? What kind of, what are themes within the feedback that they're receiving? How are they doing in their calls? And Danielle finds this very valuable for prepping for her one-on-ones. So it's powerful, personalized feedback at scale. Now I'm going to walk you through what's going on under the hood. All of this is captured in the Call Coach AI-powered sales and success coaching Zapier template, which I'm giving you a sneak preview of here. This Zap is where the magic happens. That's what we're going to go through. So the Zap begins with a webhook where call information is sent from Gong to the Zap. And so you set up in Gong every call that meets this criteria. Let's say it's a sales call and one of these reps are involved, send it to Gong. Then the Zap pulls in information about that call. And it's got like, who were the people on the call and what were their IDs and their email addresses. And it also pulls in call statistics that are generated by Gong. And these are really interesting. These are stats that Gong has found are positively correlated with highly effective sales calls. And Gong's got access to, this enormous big data set for analyzing sales calls. And so I put a lot of weight into these statistics actually mattering. So we do some things like identifying who is the rep within the call and connecting their speaker ID. It's some data stuff and just like prepping the data for analysis. And then we get to the AI by Zapier step. You don't need a ChatGPT subscription for this. This is Zapier's internal AI tool. And it's awesome. And it is looking at each of these call statistics. For example, talk ratio. This is defined by Gong. And then the success criteria is defined. And then we give to the AI, here's the rep's actual talk ratio. So then the AI generates an analysis of, with your talk ratio of 0.59, this is considered successful or not successful, and here's why. So here's our advice for the rep based upon that. And we have the AI generate that sort of feedback for all of the interaction statistics. So talk ratio, longest monologue, longest customer story, interactivity, and patience. That is one of 3 sources of feedback that this tool generates. The next piece is based upon the call transcript. So in step 1, this webhook pulls in, like, here's the call ID, the URL for the call, who was on the call, and the interaction statistics. But this step, in step 6, is actually pulling in the transcript, who said what at which timestamp within the call. And that's really valuable because we can then ask questions about, hey, did the sales rep do a good job of asking open-ended questions or kicking off the call effectively, showing empathy, things like that. So we pull in the call transcript from Gong, we do some cleanup steps, and then we generate feedback on that call. And this is Zapier's criteria that we've found effective for our sales reps. So we feed it, speaker ID, call transcript, and given instructions, and we ask it to evaluate these different criteria: opening the call effectively, the questioning technique, building connection, demonstrating value, asking for commitment, and conversational flow. Each of these output a numerical score as well as qualitative feedback. We then take those scores and we add them together, and that gives us the aggregate call score, which can be useful later for determining whether or not this was a successful call. Next, we have the third source of insights that are generated by this tooling. And this is an optional one, but the Zap looks up in a table if the rep has a custom area feedback focus. And in that table, it can be set. They're like, hey, we want our reps to get feedback on this or that. That way that can be tailored to the individual rep or to the team or to the organization as a whole. And then we have an AI step that generates feedback on the transcript based upon that custom area focus for the rep. We take these 3 sources of feedback and we pull them into this final AI step, which generates a feedback summary. And it's formatted for Slack, so it's going to look nice and it's not going to be like overwhelming with data. And so you can see we've got a test piece of output here that it's formatted for Slack. We've got these strengths with bullet points, areas for improvement, and recommendations going forward. And then if there are any custom evaluation framework feedback pieces, those are included here. Now, at this point, the feedback is ready to be shared with the rep. So we store everything in a table, so then it's in our feedback log, and then we send it to the rep, so it shows up as a direct message. The very last piece of this app is a filter step, and then if the call has a score below a certain threshold, then we look up the rep's manager and we share the feedback with the rep as well. And that threshold can be changed, however makes most sense for your organization. Now, all of this is included in the Call Coach template. And I'm going to share with you the link right here. You just go to it and you click use this template. It's going to populate within your Zapier account a handful of assets and then drop you into the canvas that connects the assets. So, we've got the Zap that we just walked through here. This is where the magic happens. And then we've got some just building blocks like the feedback log, the team directory, the table for custom coaching areas. And then we have a little helper Zap for helping populate the team directory with people's Slack channels. Over here, we've got your setup checklist. You can check off items as you're going through. And the last thing I would just say is when this opens up, you enter into, let's say, this given Zap by clicking that part right here. This is a tool that you can grab and implement today. And it's powerful. It's taking the power of personalized coaching and making it more powerful because it's timely and making it scalable so that reps are getting feedback on every single call. And so it's great for reps, but also as a manager, it can give you this constant stream of actionable insight into your reps and the confidence to know that your reps are getting great feedback all the time.